Live music nidie. Menso best if doing 16 years ni. My boha lifestyle radio so. And the program bia a high life bia no manage hono. Na me adom so manya award mienu e wo high life amebom e wo Ghana. Ama sesia me gina me no ka sei. Me na high life DJ the whole Ghana me kura afena no still. Every say 2 years ago me na me winning here. Last year me na me winning here. This year nyanye enti da so kura me still. And it's a program we say so you be a far high life on the ana say sebi me ya corona kura say me ba na me di corona ni na ba ni tutu free has na me hoton by force na say bia mo bia me tu ana mo na be kan program yi ho because me be a far life mo bia and manage ho I know na me nu to safra me say me come say what me ya kura me ba enti ya ba de ni e be ya ma aso ani so na say you can't fans of a high life music group now to me say the way I see address a fine pa na empanifo bi madaroma a wo mudidi anim wototo neoma keka na mosisi ani ana boaboa saa na yenso members no support boaboa saa ma ekuo ne kwanim na me nua ka say me say fans of high life music enya 2 years right na say akra be dey 2 years am your back time tia mo say enya easy enti samre me people mpedifo ni din na omo abetina say ba cho ye bon mudi am fans nipa de wo anya ska na nya fans kra ye ti mo fans enti founder oda me fiti asem free me fan free from na me from rasro na yenhwe advisor and consultant edema fans of high life music group if no osapa konedu bacha wa ha ayo obapa o say me hu bi ni oh sorry any obapa konedu yeah obapa konedu oh when I say osapa yeah oh money fans na PRO juma so de dinye pa na abranti a wo bo no made tutu neoma e ma bibia koyie ye fe no girlfriend akwa bacho bonsem aya munyi de man munyi de we ani se me wa ne se wo ye de kra no ni su chinwa enya fe na ambulance service bia ba ha se akufa do ambulance service bi mba ha ambulance na de wa hai I don't say about Ras if you Benku na yeza. It's a man one son na okro no. Nti bonsem na didi. Na ye hwe organizer Frank Ofori. Ono so attitude ne ma ye we branch and mu odu. Na ne sanitizer bon anim. So ne nia brie pa fight corona. Bonsem. See a virtual letter. Ako baby. And I say, I better take a minute. I will meet you and say, because we have program now invite you. There's a virtual letter. Now, a nay, school, I'm bound for a quiet fanya Jumania Tiffy. Nasa, oh, toilet, I come as uncle for now. You mistake or where some crowd to be trading class on back. And Tiana will be a secretary, Mark Wubiana, and yeah, a market to a crowd. And he said, Nanama Mabel, a secretary, Emma fans of high life music party, and I say, well, put my bonsem. Oh, bonsem. Say, Nate, Newa na me who star E, me who Prissy, me who another. Nana Bodo or Rade. What? Salama to her also the any day. A day. Obapa root and an image and a sissy. Wow, what I'm saying, Vinci. And so be a good muscle. And I also the any day. And then Nana K. Yeah, Nana go. Money fans. said o secret phone na we pictures no wa ma ne fans a o won say o beba na o ti amba o ba na baby e baby afro ti ma ne fans na juma no hia pa na said e wan efe na obi a din egu ni cheso de tete ha sei ye cry be jam kra Mr B de wa ha ama se dua so de hye no na say obi a so nya ne chefa wo mu na ne nyina be gina abranti a watena ase na onya supo bi se yemfa yenwuma Ghana yewo meka ha life wasem yemfa yenwuma Ghana yewo na yenti ko bi mfa ho na yentimi empromote na ade a eye papa bia no ofiti ase aya na enye ize ba ade bone de oye ana ekọ ba ade papa bia fiti ase no ana edin pa nti se anye pani anye akora bi meka za akora na meka ho anya oluma bi numbu na yemu bi davi ana efo bi na se eya brantia no na sisi ne ho so anka e wo se nka okope hip hop bi na odi akire na se wo se yenhwe ye high life na yenti ho group na yentu wana mo etutu ho nioma de a na esefata se we bona basu yi pa se watimi atikue na mo nyina be ka woni ehia wa se aye Nana Kofi Foku bacho chama 1 bonse
Obologbo edi na ope o ye strong ko ati bonse ma o aha na nienti aye wa ha ana ni penti aye wa ha ana jumedi aye bedi nti aye wa ha no emre na so na ansana ye be frɛ ye beneficiaries amama betina omakonwemu no medical ya frɛ ye brother Kewusu ama na betonyo we hwiam e dia prapra kwemu ama oma betina se ye bra wa ha badede yo ensemmo ahokeka afesia aka
Madam Penifwasi I say ma hokeka bebre se ne me so mijina ha na ye high life program kesi na me so me part of it your friend me Kewusu the prince of high life not to say high life for him for no omoba ne me omoba kesi pa ne me enti me papa teacher wa ha me mpese beto no nwom ne bebiri sanse e bia no obepese obeto minya kwanya kura se me de nwom baka kofa na banka mepe na ye ma hoho a DJ teacher say ohene ba woo mo sorry gina wanka mepe hey anybody ni any papa yes yo ano many aso ni de dia cro obi e bi ma na refio oni penia so ni wa hey teacher Watson and his Africana and you were released in 1974 I am told Patia sia ni ama pewasa I want to be send you yasutia I never any baba just you I know many so ni de dia cro obi e bi ma I na review many so ni awabo Nami nimda teacher Nami bi woni semye pa sa anybody ni ane papa tiasio ano many aso ni de dia cro obi e bi ma na review obi many aso ni awa Yeah, my proposal is. Hey, I see a brown operating. I'm out for it here. Hey, I'm out for it here. That's all I'm I'm like I said, my quality secret group. I come up on the Jessica. Oh, every day I see it all. I think I am the body more. And if I'm a boy, Papa to us, mommy.
Titi will be can. Titi will be sure. And friends of High Life group no. Na Titi will be can. Titi will be sure there. When I have friend penny phone on one bay, na me hear say them more sano. Na me hear say High Life and I say High Life. I mean anyway, but me the segment be shame. Where is High Life near her? You ever heard there or a group member who name High Life? They say teacher what team when I'm saying Granny and Homo. A man who teacher what no. Or he never party as a back. I'm saying Mamma no sham papa. I check. I can't buy a crab saving moon for ever. Memang dia real but mano. Now good enemy phone call him. And see, you know, so I check. And to a more High Life dance on my day. I'm not on him. But I'm on JG. But you better say, members, you High Life, sir. But it's to be cut to be there. Actually. Now, Sam Reno. A fire cruise one. Kubia on your fire by. A pine fire soa. Uno. A buyer. A quiet fast so I could a buyer. Now, I call friends of High Life Music Group. No, Minka be a crown for High Life once and I open Yabaka Kuno, I couldn't see buyer. Somebody carries somebody be a High Life be a room. It's been now for 1924. Now, High Life no, if I say 20th century baby now. Not man for Bonyum Dada, Yama, maybe Panom Titino, na Omo Monyo, Mensia, Moham Bo, Omonium Dada. Maybe craft friend Osibi, any idea those days. No, we craft friend a India baby, or Modu Toso. Na Emra, Omoko World War, we na Mobayeno. Na Afino, Abrofono. The instruments, any guitar, and the idea now so bear by and we say, after yeah, locals no, you use or more instruments no, at the fry a rhythm no, now they are bought your traditional music near High Life, near that way traditional music. And Kwame Nkrumah, a crown so ever declares a Ghana, your national music and your High Life, but Kwame Nkrumah Puno, Nanko per se, your friend Osibi. Na omadi kan friend High Life dada It's your changing because I'm from Africa will be obviously Africa. It's not per se. Yamani Dia a traditional name. High life near Brofo. Now the entire high life Nankasaba and said Emra a brofi ba ye na mo wo on krania de ade. Enti be ma bia so na obi ne yire so kosu aka na so mo ne abrofo na so ya krachi ni. Enti na on person mo separate your local band from certain level of band bi enti omodi instruments ni we be kan ye local be fuse ye local one ho no afa bi avanza ka hasia Jerusalem hasia enwumre na ya hehye no manu hasi na manfo a wo mo wo bi manfo a wo mo esipesita na ebetie that kind of music that time no enti wo buy say wo dress it so that my family me bring atade am na bagina yi na wa fa ho na wo yire anase bia wa yi bia na ono so afa ne ho na mo nyina makosa high life nti na manfo di eche na mo say sai we die high tech high life program pa na nkofo na ekosan because e wonye ordinary person a wo ye pa untimi kutua nkofwe bi ana mo fe ne say high life. Oh wow. Ana abeye high life. Enti ama ebia na penifo de friend nyina be sesan ye ana nyina so munti obi akọ ye de high life for mo ye high for nkwa na ekọ enti ekọ high life ana be high life na dey high life music. Now your high life music your brass band ho your guitar band ho bano now mo se obi de kin onyina I don't know obi de yiti mensa the this is the no Ghana ya freedom or no na or no friend so a king of high life music because emra abrofo no ebo prema anyomo na omo and na omo ni abrofo ni bi nam susu omo violin then can you shoot omo de kan on nti abrofo ni nyina akwa no omo besusu mu and na omo bonus orchestra style of high life no nti na omo de omo to asa prema level no so nti ono the traditional no efra abrofo de na e ko nti omo to ni so a king of high life music. Tamna Ghana nya independence a one Armstrong man be yes Ghana freedom nyomo no. I'm fair no king of high life music. But na before mo no so kra no na king onyina mo wo ho. King onyina mo so be ye bia, mo so kan that time so be ye bi ike nyame omo nyina so e be ye bi kwa sam ni ade omo nyina be ye mo ye ya ponse ja omo nyina ho. Enti high life music so music bia and shada eyenyum ko a ejina faako say the case dance hall a we dem say the echo case reggae beat near reggae beat sa high life na sesa omo time no na say the omo bono no na different kakra ente bedru to say manfo tutu kwankwa brochire ekosua abrofo disco style of music no omo fuse share your high life ni mo no omo nya omo friend say boga high life and a beat no so emosisan kakra e wo man ye de pop ni ade so be rewre mo ne call contemporary high life ama enne ya eno ka say omo say afro beat high life omo so de hip hop style ne ada no ma so rewre mo omo say afro beat omo bonti ye ka categories ni nyina na sa general we mu no esesa sa but ni nyina e dey high life e ti wo hwe teacher boaten ne opani pozo yeso a omo so time no omo bon wodi ye pa e promote ye high life music omo man sano high life ma boa bedru samre enti next motion when we attend say ye pa enti high life mo abakwasa kakra me maka no na the announce tia monya high life fans of high life music group ni de aye founder and the be mu the entire one of fans of hip hop, fans of dance hall, fans of R&B, fans of whatever no for high life no enje ma founder no so enje mu nyina anti bonsem titi obika titi e obika titi obichire mehwe me brɛ na 12 abo nti awie
Yeme ahoho a ema nichie se yetimi yabehiem na eda etisei nyame ede ache na mi tie me nua panyi oyoko ha life no enye easy obo continue ko na uko wachi na uko hwese ne ha life no empanyimfo bi ede omoho ne omuni padwe nyina to ho na enne ha life no eda so tiasia na chese senya na wo ka no ha life no ye Africans no anase ye Ghanaians no ha life no ye dia afi na mi gina ha mi be kire mo ekwan a cool fans of her life ebaye broni be ka se brief me summarize bibia me acknowledge me na fufo mienu eye Bismarck Owusu dodo na freno chairman me acknowledge no one nanaya ono se freno Bigasti Bites ye kotna nkwankwan nuase ye tie her life ana adwene ba se ye ntikuo no na omode adwene ne ba ye no misuomu because na omunim ne metimi ye e wo her life enti no mo ka kire me no me ka twem se mate na anaju de suomu no enti na ya na mpanfu bu bebi se ne e wo ni suo no ye de koda ye mu ampa anaju de suomu me da ho eyi kire me se sini se tikuo no na empanyimfo a omaye her life abetwa mu ko no omu hia mo nti tikuo no nti me create WhatsApp group no me de nkofo ba so eyi mpanyimfo omaba omukọ yenya bi mu ti se China man yenya bi ti se chama na be chese mpanyimfo bebre eba ko ye na yese ade a ebeye bia no enseda abuburo kusua ya brepa ya bre ana ya ba bedru ene a ya hu sada we enti omo hwe me no ya brepa meti ana mi create her life page eye 2018 July 27th ana mi create ye nyame eba anan ema yetimi eba so yentimi hiada na yese utikuo na upese enkwa animu na aban mu no yehu a ewo se ye fe bibi register nti ewo se ye register kuo no na nchese ye ni abre nti me baanan ene me mpanyimfo etna ase yetimi register ekuo no nti fans of her life no ye media go na asansa fa de odi change no fans of her life no ya register ewo Ghana aban mu ya enye odana ya register ewo Ghana aban mu enti se wo hwe ade ya ekrami ya certificate e kire se ekuo no ya register yen bia ye bia no Ghana aban enim hu bi anase Ghana aban support yen enti ya register certificate chese fans of her life no ya register enie bibia omoma ho kwan se yenye kui yenye ne kese yenye se ne be ya ebe efe na afi nso meka bibi kakra afa ekwan a ye fa so ye nyema ukotiku na ye bisaw ye mbutaye anase doni bese principal activities ye pese yenye ene se ebiti se ye be donate ama ye her life legends no omo abokwan atoho ama enne mamafo na aba no her life no musu ye bi no ewo ye constitution mu se ye nkonko donate ma omo bonsema me afensu no ewo ho kwan se ye be donate akọ orphanage homes na ye de aboa won afei so bibi a ye ebi ti say ye be visit high life mpanyinfo no nya ko bi say omo mpom ene ade afei so no ye be tutɔ dustbin ene niema wudi eye ahumdie ye be tutɔ ne de asisi monte ne de ye logo abobɔ ho na amama hu say eku a the fans of high life yembo tai ebinye efise president ko ase ahundie no ehunya ne pa abroni fen sanitation enti saade ne so yebo ana ye hwe kwan se saade no so ye beye aha afi minka ni nyina afi ye fre bibi nidi obi a ohia moa yetimi hwe ne ye background checks ne akwa akohwe enti these are some of the things are a cool fans of high life ye afi midi wie no na me kire ekwan a obi be ka se na adan na high life fufuo no omodoso na manyi obi a na mikoyi me papa nana boache ansa ofori ata nana boache ofori ata AK Pozo Hayes aha emse oyoko kasa wanka bibi me kan to ano so Pozo Hayes ana ema yenya edin sebe wo ma di dem e wo mu nan ema yenya sadin no ono bonsem ono na edi sadin ni baaye ema ene obi sebe tafache obi na ne ya yese o oye Pozo na mono so ana yenya sa edin no na che se wa live legacy bi apopo aha etini such a personality no si nyano na ye bonaba so a ose na ofata aha na ekwen fa so a ye checks e chese ebi a aden na omo ne fa omo no eno no ye mpese be tudwase na be bia obi so hwe ye na wakwakọ ebibi ya wo ho a ye be frɛ say asumasi wadwuma aso ye ni nti ye pese ye ma chia wo ye ba be srawo aha na me papa Mr. Kofi Boateng aka teacher. Aha, sene na oyoko kanu watu ni mache ye. Ohe oheba ne papa tia 79 74. Sata me ne anwo me. Enso ni nyini ebetie enwum no enwum no eka me makusem. Aha, eka makusem. The same trend. Na me ni say me papa ni nya no ma no pemasem. But otoye no na me hu mu nsunsunye. Nti no nenyum no e kama asem pa ma me. Nti e ba say ye hwe obi a ye bebo na ba so no. E di ma ni to nso na me ye background checks no say ampa. Ose na ofata say ene ye be hye na nimunyam. Nti eko ose na ofata say be hye na nimunyam. Ana ye papa Pozo Hayes so sebe obi wo ha so madidem entino mensa nka me na nka dabi wantena din an kwankota kwan se obi ma meche ni bibi nemu wode onamunyuntu mu amotivate obi a sebe ono so ebi a wadidem obi a sebe on timi nyehwe onamunyuntu amotivate sankofon wa hye won munyam afensu no wa momoni ansodi hu wa momoni da so se we did them no chese untimi nyehwe nti se mehwe kwante kwa me ne mpanyfo tenase na yehwe ne yehwe se ne wotinya motivate the youth any afoforo high life eba na chese ose na ofata enunti ana ene the ekuo fans of high life ye papa nana boache ofori ata dodon fa no Pozo Hayes one ninya pani Mr. Kofi Boateng teacher Pozo ene ye bo ma ba so na ya acknowledge wo mo say adwuma o maye no o maye adwuma pa na ene new ones na eba no monko omo na so na monko enkonko ekolabo ekwanda ho meya na meka omo mpe ekwanda ho momra na moni omo nko ekolabo na omudin no mra ha nyu bebre o ma twa nyu bebre ewo ho enyum bebre wo ho mombra na moni omonko ekorabo enti no ekuo fans of high life briefly no kakra metimi aka afa ho no medamu nya ma sesama ba ha mediani nana Kofi Foko founder DJ na MC
founder ya dase. Oh, sempa mbeti mi aboano. Oh,
Pastor, yes, you to you baku. Na enchese, we high life. Okay, I'm into.
What you show me money?
Me choose na mo nyu meti na to. Me into high life baku. Mama into Ankwanoma. Aye Charles Kwajofo sunyum Ankwanoma. Ba bia obi anu me chia no. Daddy, ya me hia o. O say, Ankwanoma. Me de me kra kwa for you. Me yeni ametimi bia me mene swana mi kwa. Nankwanoma, anume bo anume. Awo Ankwanoma. Meme swana mi kwa. Bibinya boboli ankamata kuma bia mano. Juma uye yo uye juma. Shansi mi kwa isebru. Asukonoma, ayame na sude muo. Kwanto muisani yenkancha. Kambo sema bwebi ubio. Na kwanto enye repense. Sisa nusubia jeva. Shebeti na mana basa. Ushemi fimu defo kwa foni mo. Sino nabia sukonoma. Eni arewaka kwanto. Makantam senka meye bia bua busiafo. Dachima wuna midawa kama fwa shoso abobidi. Neswa busei dia mafo ya padipo. Oya kantema jinsisa dafo numanya meyo chuni. Nesume mpaba Vizebe mane wuko. Yeni ameti miya memeni swana miku. Ani mani nyeni papa tiasio. Anumani ni asuyani yebi akro. Obiye bimawa yama renfio. Onipani ni asune ni wapuano. Mesi wonya kika ya. Akika. Mesi ana yeji yeni misano mubeka o. Akika. Senyele mozi ni ya na kusana. Akika. Yankwaji sikada akika fo. Esem. Medamu nyama se. MC.
Yada se found that I had their pants and body sack. When you been come, high life. I had in a positive phobia when you and so what found that the age and they send you see per high life. Now it's a high life in young womb, a idea, a dear womb, and your mother brave womb, a church and your pea. And Sino, Mama and Samboy and Semba, whom I idea. Our vision in the mission, our dear to so set of the year. Ama a high life for any kind of men. Now, some year who impending for near who founder, near who executive members, no, if you see who members, no, so. And Sino, you may introduce your home, Bako. And see at the microphone, you better name Ubo Dia. Now do AKA Asoso. Not your mouth fans. Fans, dear, no one. Joe fans was as what? Yes. The measure see for your papa and one fair. Oh, dear. Not say a nickname. Now your mouth fans. I'm sorry, let me
Nasa odia odidi udi cry a Christy no. I know what change you.
So may the Esther na takia. What page say? So may the Esther na Mr. nickname excellent baby. And Esther Bako page no sing na machiafu.
Yo, Mr. Medindi, me mammy only me papa, Mamma, some of your Muslim before, no more woman baby. I see. Today I did to me, I salamet. Now, my nickname there, that I'm going to be so sickness from Walagasta. Walagasta. Yes. I don't know. bus. You are small as they just not with back seat.
I said, when you wait, when you find. Yeah, it's won't hide me. Why we too hide me? Yeah, that's it. Manifest. Walagaska, salamatu. Yes, I'm right there.
Titi Obika.
Titi Obichre.
A friend was saying with Uncle George.
Or say, I in one. Time with the George. Or say, with the Uncle George.
AKA Akono Sam Hill.
AKA Akono Sam Hill. Wow, Akono one. About him, man. Sessy. Yes, it's Sessy. Hey, what the cat where the Muzaka went before so. I went before Sessy Hammond. Wow, now a nickname here. Sessy now, wow, Sessy now. And I was there.
The part saw a Femi Rosemont.
Rosemont.
Yeah, the old Nana Bodo one.
Nana Bodo near day. Bodo near day, friend.
I sell it.
Okay, young pa. Wow, hey. What the nickname, yeah? And remember about Penny. Yeah, then there or the Ginny.
Mr. Make Fleming.
Kwame Jesse.
We are from Ekoba.
Ekoba Jesse. That's a way immigration and a customs.
Immigration.
Okay.
Mr. Frame, Nana Kusi Kasa Brempon.
Nana
Kusi Kasa Brempon.
Wow.
Duko Abonte Domine.
Dunko
Abonte Domine. AKA Nabi Charabi.
I've been seeing the
You see, no, give you the mammy.
I want the mouth. Not I want to I didn't hear a booby a day. Put it down here, nickname magazine.
Now, David Charabi.
That gave you you asset.
But Monsieur Femi Root Fosia.
Root Fosia.
A.K.A. Obapa Root.
A.K.A. Obapa Root.
Kizana Paya. You will say,
hey, we are set from me. Wow. It's not about Paka, and I was here.
It didn't win Dada. Nanake. Bakope. AKA Obuze1. OBUZEY1.
Obuze1. Okay.
Oh, Obiadi one. Tidina a fake original.
And next.
Titi Obika. Yes. Your friend Aisha. How do?
Wow. Aisha one. That's we are the one. And never see you share one. Now members who do see a dose. Now and that's what we did. I know who said busy day. And you know, a bill me, I'm a shame or Hanesuno, or more the Aridas in spirit. And I'm out for our bridge for so, and so some years stream of Facebook and say, yeah, we can't to reach an amwa. And Jebesa her life. If we are not for you, I'm presenting your man. Now I'm penny for some problem to wear enough in the nice. Now, you know, Yami Adama, you be a was CTV so, and you ran no watching. It was no the program you are in, to be the grab a camera, but to be Sana, what I do with his you be to CTV so turn him ray, and what you was on, because I'm Penian Casadia. We are program restaurant Sanet here. It's a program 8, or no Casa 8, 8 BB, Sanet TNT. Many just over Casanso. Okay, now and then we know about 3 the core radio so we were cry FM, a high life DJ or 80 about 3 I may invite one penny for number around 5 p.m. Now you know most because I don't find a plan from when you can from now your core radio so we now so you know what me a question come on now and the course why you know now I got to also already so who came now and can about 3 to 6 Fato Accra 100.5 FM. Me Oyokodi Shekufi, me wa radio so ene, me ne fans of high life music and a big program, and then from 3 to 6 p.m. We are all is about high life music. We be very kind high life music. Watch now, so a very high lifetime TV. It was CTV, so 8 to 9. And this is about fans of high life music. Oh, that's what they are now. In the summary, I saw what say. Yes, I put you I saw what say. My name is Bacha. I saw what say. You be careful now, Sangasa. Silence here. DJ. Man, my pennyphone, I'm not on you. My Numbia high life for now. Yema fans of high life music for a man and member. It's me ain't Nasika crack. Now, yes, yes, sound so. Your father told you nice. Yes, you didn't say.
That's right. That's right.
Now what's not say? Ah, my idea, when you start, buy it. Mom say. Na yeah, told you money as I never say fun and another executive there. I'm gonna find myself motor on Mossa. Was that only penny for it? Na asa enyo mi koswa o sore nsa enye bu asa wotnas na wuti ne wosasa ani penifo na fa level but memo wa besa e ba jo o the late Nana Tufo current in real life. In the reason you want to sanction. Hey, that's how we see as I current. And I current can carry out here. Okay, that's it. Now, I'm a fan of Banusum crying. And also, ever saw a Fnana or more. Esu kura ya amuso motua so enti se abrante ba ko ha sei na wo se wono won fa ada we bia na obebo ha dia na wo se ma ne kwan na ono so ebe pro ne minimum example fuyi na se ebitu etotima na e pon be fo atwena tena se mo akyerekye no na watimi atwa no kewusu e wa ha sei gege yanko
DJ train wa mi amehu wa mi amehu ma se do wa mi amehu wa mi amehu se uja mi amebo tu me wa se adie bena odio no ke bi atile ebo ma mi ajuwe obabi di metodo mumrika fumba adie bena meti wusu ma sorry I vesi kanzwe adrebe o de si aturebo amara mewu de meti aturebo woo DJ Yanko woo that's right 1 2 1 2 that's right one that's right. Come on. Hey. Meeting was on my soul, yeah. I have the cancer. Mama. Meeting was on my soul, yeah. I have the cancer. That's right. Sorry. But you want handkerchief for you know sorry now one answer. You know one answer. You have a sorry. You have a tear sorry. Handkerchief. Handkerchief. Make up tear sorry. Sorry. Make up tear sorry. Sorry. Make up tear sorry. The nothing. Handkerchief. Make up tear sorry. Sorry. Make up tear sorry. Make up tear sorry. Now make me body. Yeah, you go to
because high life dey the nyansa anwene nsem and edito enti se wetimi agina ne na so abo high life nyo se no na obebo de a na je se ono nso so no wanyini ankasa e wa adwene mu maye mo ye nsem ba ko nsam Samray nienti aye wa ha presentation kakra ye pese ye edema ye high life artist Mr. Kofi Boateng aye nyina ye nim ni din e different no teacher ene Nana Boache Oforiata ono nso ye friend Pozo Hayes ye be ye presentation kakra ama omo na ansana ye be presentation no me the microphone e be ma founder Nana Kofi Fokuo ene ne assistant no de ye no wo room ye ya wo no Ghana ha enti edin aye different ye room enti I'll hand over the microphone to them as they say something about the presentation and then we go ahead with the rest all there no wa bo say ama
MC I mean ensure presentation me kasa kakra e wo ho obi be kase se na me kase mo me kan high life into for no mo doso ha mo doso ye wo the lives of Oboba J Adofunom ye wo AB Quincy mo ho ha ye wo painful bebe Pa Thomas mo eba bebe lumba eba amachi dede kwadwantwi chese omo doso ha omo doso nti we Accra edition for Friday starting no next year ya me boa Kumasi so de beba so ha Kumasi so beba so Kumasi edition you were the lives of the obo adwa benin BB Collins they were free mu 7 you were bafo che wo ho this mountain cancer ne omo painful no mo ho nyame boa omo so e be kwa ko hu omo na ye ne omo yakosra won se ne ye constitution e che no presentation no ana e wo ho no em se dise me ba na presentation no beka bibi kakra se ne America no mi kuofuo ene anuanom e wa bonten no ana aboa ye nti nyame ensure omo ye kase ye bubodi a ade bechi pa especially abrochefo no omo ayade omo de omo ndoso nti omudi no metimi akai bi ye were the lives of Nanama USA Toronto waboa ye were the lives of Nanama onso UK Ken City onso waboa ye there were the likes of Nanyako ono so Ototiam UK ono so Aboye there were the likes of just abuchefoni na ya de eke mama ji o ma ya de o ma boa ma dwuma de na abaso afen su no ye mpanyimfo a ewo o ma ti aso mi mu ama ekuoi atimi adum pempeso ene saa dwuma de abaso no o mo so be bo o ma abaso eye Godfred Akwa ono so immigration officer room oni send them to your office and so met me pressure no because person dey bibia enye fe enye kama ntino me man pressure ntino send na make no omunya omaboa acknowledgement no as me yama ntino me twentwen so ntino ye kinkan ensase yesi asasa ofade odiche Nunya kitu anso a ode be ma no nunya kese a o ma teacher dum no say obi ye bi ma wa ma o re mfi no enti elede nye yakeke essence e dey mo ni se o ni so dodo mo ni so corona bre mu no ye ntimi hu se ekuo bi se wo kwa akoda anaso o kwa akosha ha life ni bia obi apeda ne ho a okọ hospital intinu musha we ye fufuro ye ne ye ne kane obi a wo hwe ana otie ye wo ba bia obi a sponsorship bia bra be kan ho ne ma ade we enye kese musical Ghana tourism chese munya mo bra creative industry no mo meboa ye na dumati no enkom pepes en from koso na ewiase ma nyina hu high life Ghanaian high life ni etini ye enti mo hwe a nema ewo ha nyina ayo mo mienu dia nema ewo ha nyina ayo mo mienu dia empanfo se ma bemfa meboa ni ntudwa yemfa ntudwa yemfa me wo ho aye ho demo ketwa na ye dia ama no omani so we nema ewo ha nyina broni beka se items and in kind enunye ewo ha we nyina bibia yo modia ye wi ani ye wi fans of ala ye shishipa bon sama ye too low ye ma no ye son of ma mo fe ye me ma no po de jai what ya say ye wi ana ye wi ye sebe nyado ombe to bibi ana ombe bibi ye sika no enya no na ebe hwe omo Nemo majuma no omaye abokwan ato ho ama enefo na aba no ehwe so no enu nti na ye acknowledge om ana ye ana om nti ye wi a ye sa wo cash do ni be ka se cash ai mo du pa enu so ye de mo mu mienu nyina sika da so bia ne de sika da so what I say nti no bibia ye de show man monyam last one no printed ya mo mienu nyina acha obi meboa me ma no ya mo mu nyina omu mienu enti osha ya wo teacher washa da bi obekai say eku fans of our life na ye chei customers my teacher but let me dash na me MC say Andrew ho teacher ewo ha afi so ye wo puzzle his true no pa puzzle his men kasa bebre enti na ene presentation ya yewo ayede mo no enie nti em se me PRO me kasa mafo obeka bibi kakra na ono so di akire nti officer room immigration officer ono da border na no e bon sema no Tete obika mi ka bebre se penny jari wi an ensuas and say there se da me nyame se we so ale ho abam na meka mi ka krafa cake yo
DJP say it's me too and share we are saying na any koto teacher Watson and those his say we am afraid kakra American say mo out yen do no jam in we high life area super e ba mo nyina mo naso manues
before I was young for and now for cakey say ever so light in the on lighter like your lighter okay your lighter and the edge now your representation now say you so cake near everybody say oh you be chance na present here and I say you representing now on the channel pay so it was a Sunday night supposed to is every mutual what Jerusalem has here. You are born in red. And not a very mutual. I want to go for Sundays. I want to special. I want a very higher. And I started to chat in the anyway. Everyone knows. That's a chat of watching. Obo this year. Nasa one also adjust Accra. Obi na wako panuwa. Obi biya wakana noa. Na jawa china hase wa poti chate echanu na ta ade na so no osin no. Anu ano no bonsem. Maya de pa. Baby be ko bi eye bia ko ni wa se. Your boss anyu na le gina hase national munyami. Omo ye achade we mo sa de sika. Asa so ahye envelope mu a omo agent ama no say Accra aja ko dey talk credit to phone square for nana no near ade enti na dey founder evidence ama teacher Kofi Watson bonsem corona free presentation we are corona free presentation and we are not the sanitizer that go sound na oh, bonsem. I want to share it down. Hey, one dressing it. We're Monday with Accra go like. Hey, jump life. Accra go like. And that's it. Bonsem. What's up? Wow. It's a Katiano Nana. That's the kind of way. Yes, you mean like our faces. Go to you town in a crowd. You will have to be a Gambian. Yes, right. on national lottery, I go pension. Hey. Now, oh yeah, you on national lotteries. I know for pension. I know these 3 years. And so pension here. I don't have this year. Wow.
Where you be pushing the ice around now?
Jebo from High Life, no, easy. You need the Piara. Open the wapeni inano and the High Life no a Ghana for Yenisi. So I mean there and you bet it to be done when I walk on Humble. Now I kai there. Ghana you know and you people what to waste what there. What my Ghana High Life no Uda. Paying free oh yeah me papa pose haze in a teacher boating. Yamin sure when I said the yes you as if one more papa Nana yam today. I bang him to folk. I don't know any because I'm used to just to. Men folk could be into no one came. What's it? Come, Shani, because I'm coming in the so the better me. Come, Shani, because I'm coming in the so the better me. Oh, yeah, long, Jaza. Oh, so bye. What's the name? Miss Samara Shanty. Hey, Mammy, Babo Kain, I'm into you, so the better me. So the better me. So the better me. So the dada me. Over Pago, we are the Damanam Natino. Yatino. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.
I pray your voice. wapuru kakra mpanyinfo se tɛkyerɛma nkoro sɛ wɔte ase nko ara deɛ na onya wi nko ara deɛ ɔbɛkɔ so ayɛm saa abɛn kɔ pension ba nwum deɛ nkɔ pension that's it summary so no be I set summary so no teacher Kofi Boateng so you be a banda because African brothers and lesson na pedu onom bo banda ana obebo obeten ho koye teacher and his Africana na ana wono so ebo ne nwom na anwum a wabodi empa ba ohene ba anwum de bebre a waye na ene na say fans of High Life Music Group and so Shin Monyam e wono so contribution de aboa High Life Music Ghana ha say ya na so wono so abai eja opin mu kakra enti ohene ba na obati ase no ya remix and it's releasing them last year or 2 years ago, right? Yeah, more remix one. Enti ohene ba na ne papa ti ase saa nwom no anyum bia ono ne papa na ne papa iskani pa na ne papa ne guye se bi ofri mu na ono ebedi ade no anka abofra ko ne fanse bia ne wo fan chen se ne papa afiri na me ba bedi me ba na hweme a na enso nka kire no tumi se anto na so yi enti wo se wo ko na no and when ya sa enwum we say hey say na de bia no baka say ohene ba ene de papa etiase enta nyu utia na wase agu no say and in real life ayi no de yes anyu utia ne teacher Boateng wa say de man kan on to ohene ba ena de papa etiase
Oh,
Jerusalem for Pajam Fufu, Javili Penam, Namfa Nam na Monfa the Akain and go, now won't you find the sound to no Shankulay, or you are the South Chamba, also Shalom. Because everybody is at home, come with Shalali, say, the young finding Wahana. Yes, you're praying. Copy you. Okay, Yama Asankuma so. What baby na fe on to your back na fe the vote of thanks na fe yeme musiniam ko edase.
All right, that's it. Saboteur. I need on there and you be today na yerbo ha. My mom wasn't working no kon anya da no oti. I'm pada me kan ina da sa wo yiri yeziban. Na se yeziban mo oya wo dawa. Iza na atafu chance ni. Da mo no wo yusu na ya den. Me ya si. O se, your baby apa ne sa. The Dofo Benny Diani, or first run, second, I will ask for more. A Banasana Yaji, or Tulubu, Unisamiana Konokono, or Yabo Trench in the Mokasi, come, so when the Yanawa Hanu, and Yawoda Dina Tefri Moon, so they Diane, Yoda Dina Tefri Moon, or they Diane, Yoda. That's right, That's right. That's right. Sweet like sugar, my sweet potato. I wanna come warm. The way it's spicy, nice and clean, makes me wanna eat and lick. The way the food that you made me makes me wanna ask for more. That's right. It's Jerusalem,
so at Jerusalem, Mama Jerusalem. Saye you swam konya canopies. Bibia who are happy free. Mama yenda, Mama Jerusalem, and that Jerusalem. My mo is same Casepa and Famao. Sabre. If I say I think Apenyama, a teacher, and then that Pozo is now. Achede fefefa ye dia ma o se o ma so se o mu so ye pesi yeti efri o ma no ti sabe de microphone be di kan ama teacher na waka bibi ahre
anybody di camera was my nyina fa asida ema osoro ni ka o boy be yaso yari akra ba yari Mumudia, maybe I'm going to be a Intizobia, Nipebia, Masori for member, Mabusio, getting a Waibia man. While you be a man, come on the top Mokra, Tidiasida, the member. We are near Kufi, Dishi, Niamakum, Danas. Then I say, bɛyɛ afe mfie mmienu anaa mmiɛnsa no saa adeɛ yɛ a munyaa saa adeɛ yɛ ne yɛ kuma yɛ bi maa me frɛ me sɛ memfrɛ frɛ nipanyin Kofi Sabe ana baafo kyia ɔde akɔtɛm wɔkora deɛ moma anyɛ adeɛ firi sɛ woamama nna hotel hotel papa bi o hotel papa bi hotel ya condition yi nyinaa bi tam ya condition ɔtete gya dam wone wo nua no yɛkɔdaeɛ ɛdura anadwo ɔbɛɛyɛ ɔyɛ bi ɔbaakofoɔ ɔyɛ na mehu nea ɛyɛ a mo nso monya ɔdɔ ne akɔ deɛ bɛdi koraa ɛde ma me o ɛde ma me gye sɛ bi agorɔ na mo hyɛ kyerɛ dwumadie yi ase ka mokɔfa mpanimfoɔ no a wɔmowɔ bi kakra na mo kae me what na mo kae me nnua sɛbe ɔne haw yarefoɔ sɛ ɔno nso mmra na mommɔ ne aba so ɛne ma agu hɔ no manhu hwee tɔ mehu sɛ ammo agu wɔ hɔ metaa te kɔsia paa nka bi deɛ kɔ bɛgye ɔde ne deɛ kɔ ama me anka bɛgye ɛkyi kɔsia o metaa kye toro ne mɔnyɛ saa dɔ yi afrɛ sɛ mmra na mommɔ ne aba so onipa ɔbɛyɛ bi ɛno ne nyinaa mode ɛm sɛ moayɛ ne nyinaa kɔ sɛ nneɛma agu hɔ no dɔɔso na sɛ mɛsoa koo sɛ mɛhɛ makyi o
yɛbɛfa woba
medeɛ deɛ ɔde ka baeɛ o ɔbɛpake ne nyinaa mahwɛ yie kɔ ɔbɛpake ne deɛ dura mu ane de biribi ka ɛdeɛma a mode ama yɛ meduru fie a menyim neɛ ne mɛyere ne me ba ɛne ka me ba mena abɔ ɛne ka me ba ɔyɛ raskɛma nanso opie nneɛma pie hɔ a mehu ne ɔbɛka moayɛ adeɛ sɛne mamoamoa mo nsa no kakra te ne nsa no adi ayɛ saa de wei wode yɛ tɔ atadeɛ ma ɔba ma na kɔ sukuu a ɛbɛyɛ yie wode ayɛ ama yɛ nti me nua mɛka no deɛ bate megyina me nua no nso anaa mu sɛ yɛde Onyankopɔn a ɔwɔ soro yi ɛdɔmmɔ bɛrima adwene a wonyaayɛ nyame mfa bi nka ho sɛ nana adodeɛ no bi mmɔne bi aka hoo bi paa mɔbi a wɔkora na ɔsan de difiri wɔ yɛ aba na wafa ha no a saa adwene no bi na mɛdeɛ Solomon adwene no bi na ɛpɛdeɛ ama momfa mekata mo nyinaa so na momfa ɔdɔ mmom momma adetimu mma da ɛne yɛ dɔ biribi bɛsi o mama yɛ mami sɛ biribi nsi ɛfiri sɛ ebi kura ne mo pɔn no mo kɔ a na ɛsɛ nka ɔfa ho baazu adi wafa tezi ɔbaako bɛka yɛyɛ ne tezi oyi anyɛ na ɛno koraa ɛtumi di asampa nti ɔma biribi ansi momfa ɔdɔ mmom na mo nyinaa nyɛ adwenkorɔ ɔnte ase a data anasɛ chairman anasɛ adedeɛ nka woyɛ ne si yɛ ayɛ kama wɔn nso woka na ɛyɛ a ɔbɛte wante koraa obi ebi no Kofi ɔwɔ ne dwuma o ɔkɔ dwuma na ɔbɛnam ha yi obɛtumi ate bi na nyinaa ma yɛ mmɛnyɛ bi ne na ɔkyerɛ na me nua no ma aka kyerɛ no nso ɛsɛ asɛ mo wɔ ahoɔden nti no bikɔ ayɛ deɛ ɛbɛyɛ ketewa bi na ɔmo deɛ no koraa yɛ kɛseɛ mehyɛ na menhyira ma mu nyinaa ekuo no mesrɛ Awurade sɛ ɔnhyira so ma mo na ɛnyɛ kɛseɛ ma amanfoɔ ɛnte din ɔbaabia ɛnkɔ bɛkyiri nyinaa yi na deɛ ano sɛ nyame da mo ase ɔbayɛ ma yɛ mama meka sɛ so a ɛdɔɔso ne hu kaa me ne bɛkɔ ɛda mo ase ɛhu anihyira no gyina
ɛneɛ yɛbɛma pose so aka kakra na afei atoa so
ɛm sɛ me nua Penny waka ne biara deɛ sɛ mɛka biara no nso aka. In fact, I am really overwhelmed. Men so say bibisa. Nti You go nyame shira ho nyina. Ti say the teacher kan ya no. And this can get go on. For you, just a small group, no more share with us, no more to me, Bisa. As this is a place where I come on my own. A shack is a man. No more yes, I thank you, all of you. It's not say, it's my eye, no. But it didn't so as a physical cash name, maybe a cash, I say, I don't care. I don't know. Yet the master more recognizing. Be the first two are more recognizing him. Say, you know, I can also baby about it. If you got the best chance, I pray, a pop, I say, Munya more fans, Munya more sponsors. No more to be more than this prayer for the others. The Masipi, Namisha.
Say no me no ekobo no me no ekobo na say internal so ebo no me ensa me call radio so Accra FM na odi share me so the high life abesha so Accra FM ti ene program e kwayo Accra FM ewie no me dedicated time ni bi na me dia bot cha kofi kwa atenwom me na nanti ache na me offer ana me papa so close his ono so ma bo no so nyom be 30 minutes we are now free high life we and makasa na it's me ye be rapport up in terminate ma constante radio no so na man for that e ka wo emiami awdo na teacher na de kakra bi ka ho
na me ka ho no de e nyina na e bi ka ho ahai mudi kan e da fintin man ti me he me man e twen kakra papa na oye sabe mi kru mu ni e ba ha e bo bona mani se we na mi ni no pe so mu ye o ti ma mo bra ade yo ade kam suna se na o mai sa mi se mo ba bra o de bo mo bra o mo kra ba bra o ma fre me sabe ye no mo tu mo beta papa ni ne yire ajo wa tu adi wo ama be suma nana o no yire o ni ejuma ya fo ni nyina ya damwasi o mo so damwasi e dia se damwa nana me ba o me ni mo buasi o ti me ni ne ena me di ti ni o do o do ti o do na ma o bi shey nyina nti bibi a o be bia ni ni kan se ye na be no en so to ka ba ba ni bia o mo to bia ni a na o so ni bia e ti damwasi nana ni ko kra ni ni wa o ba mo kan che ni se ti ya wati ene the Bushman for fans of high life. Titi Wobika, high life group. Our mother was so if you know that was who are chairman in the mass. Ansana yade vote of thanks no eba no Mabel or Parabia Bob and Wabano Yama ye found and so and wrap up just some 2 minutes na fe vote of thanks no so embra.
Yo, send me papa puzzle can you know I'm overwhelmed with such me who ye menka over time na teacher performing no na me tini suo kakra me so me falling into that trap you know na my time so myself itina me ko me chance di na me so ma me yiche e wo high life ho asembia and adwumbia otia e kan wa bra bom nsem e motivate you e kira o senya obefa ana obebo o bra e wa bra bom if you say entomago ondi agro e wo ijamu ana go beshi it is ohu sabe ohu senya ode wa bra boy den efa me ma me kasa wa bebe enuanu be pray na aboye ama enadwumadi aba a chance na ye jumade ne koso na ye informal organizer no okuni ono so abeka yensa e wo ha dodo anim se fe no China man ono so e wo akire ho ame acknowledge no wa ye juma papa omu nyina da yeso ana ene abam ana yes sister baby na so abeka yensa Aisha mu nyom wo ha nti ye be do mase se ye be kan no min kasa bebre na wona aboaye amadwumadi abaso no because me bodia ade ebechi enti no omu nyina me se nyame enhyira eden ema wo me nyame enhyira ema wo na afi so no me kan se obi a wo hwe no dwumadi na fi ne ya hya ase enti any sponsorship bi a wo pese o sponsor no omu huye na yetinya ne kese na make music just a company bia creative art industry but bia wo pese o sponsor no omu ma me huye na omu mboa ye ne ntimi ma anisode mu embramu ya bia ya ntabam ama aku bia sebe na make no donation ahodo e cost covid mu no obi anko high life impanyifo bia ho ko ye bi ma wo enti say when ye ne ya starting no ensign obi a betimi aba ana fans of high life no mamenka adewe fans of high life no oye Daddy Lumba fan oye Kwadwantwi fan oye Amachi Day fan oye Pozo Hayes fan oye Teacher Boate fan fa ho bedwen ntine say fans of high life no oni beka say empire ya change no high life for ni na ye flow mo na bedwen ni ya nkoni pa ba obia ntino me ma me kasan wa me do bi biara se wa ma ene dwumade abaso se na teacher ka no ye papa na me bedru ha me ba ne nas no o ma wo kasa kra ensi no mumna mupa de wo de mu be ya mufa me nje mo kapre munye chese I was surprised because I never me wo kwaji ba bia enye easy but oji your first o ma wo kasa ensi wo se wa bi na kuna enti Jerusalem for ya damasipa ya damasa de moji ya first workers and na chese ensem ye nyina ye damasi na me fasa akunya sinimaka wa uba be didi live band Fridays ya pour live band or serious Sundays ya mutual special bibia wa Jerusalem bar and restaurant and watch mota old Malcolm and ewo etino MC kakra mekanon afi so sankofa yenchi me penny for o my jade because e do baby na akoma ba omo de bi omo tag me se makoma nye so mo so mi mu de me ba sisia no nyame adom me so mi sua ne marketing kete odo edu baby na akoma ye so mo so mi mu ase na me nya ni na omo try to transform me na bibia akosoma no me penny for me damase Officer Rome, Nanama, Obapa Kunadu, DRK Father, Original Beaches, and it is a paying for Kanya with Damas members. Oh, you American, a deal Google, Obapa, Sisi, Saramatu, Vinci, Image, Obia, may acknowledge the name of me Damas or Felswa, Majin, Namama, Dumadi, and Ne Abaso, and your routine for every in Namuni. Nanake, Nabuche for so Nanama USA, Mama G, just a Munina, Nanama UK, Obapa Sando say to two, Nakusiano, Munina Mo, members sent me a Mandina, Mamia, my band, Manchester, it didn't dosso, yet me Mubodina, and then I feel so high life. New artist Awaba Nana K, and I said na K Usu. How ne ni obaye asankuma onu po ya nti ensanfem enso tie na no obaye me kwa ye na aka mi se so no na ebo sa adwum bi no alumbo jata ye me di jimani pa intino em say me twa so na ye di radio die no so akwahihye so Accra 100.5 oyoko de hie Kofi the high life commando we are now going feeding out to her, Madam MC.
I vote of San Zemzena. Yaya, but a car was be a cancer, a crantina, maybe also a day. And far the Akana found the Ankana encounter for the year mom pie and name Muso.
Otumfo TV yene yamamre ene yempuntu Otumfo TV Primpon and the